Okay. So what is the formula for molarity? Number of moles of solute upon volume of solution in what? Liters. Volume of solution in liters. So 0.15 molarity is given. Means 0.15 molarity means 0.15 moles of benzoic acid is present in 1000 ml of solution. The meaning of this. Itli moles asa, itli solution. This is called molarity. Itli moles asa, itli solution. Now the question asked to us is calculate the amount of benzene required for preparing how much mole, how much 250 ml in methanol. So we already found for 1000 ml how much moles? 0.15 moles. So आमको किती काढपा सांगला कोणाचो amount काढपा सांगला benzoic acid. So we already know the formula for number of moles. What is the formula for number of moles? Mass of benzoic acid, correct? Upon what? Molar mass of benzoic acid. Yes or no? Number of moles is how many? 0.15. Correct असलेला कोणी understand झाला नाही? My main concern or main thing you have to understand is 0.15 molar means 0.15 moles of that whatever the solute is present is present in how much ml of solution? 1000 ml of solution. So फाली सकाळी जर तुमका 2.5 molar दिले means what you will understand from this 2.5 moles of that solute is present in what? 1000 ml of what? Solution. I hope you know 1000 ml मतलब किती आहे? 1 liter. 1000 ml मतलब किती आहे? 1 liter. Understood now? So mean आता work this is easy. So 0.15, but be careful. This is in 1000 ml. This is in 1000 ml. So now mass of benzoic acid. So this we have to find C6H5COH given mass upon molar mass of benzoic acid, and we calculate 12 7 कितले 84. 12 7 84. 84 plus 32 कितले 84. 94 104 114 116 116 plus 6 कितले 122. It will come to 122. I hope you know how to calculate molar mass. Anyone is there who is not knowing how to calculate molar mass? You know how to calculate molar mass? You don't know? कळटा न्ही त्या जाल्यार एक बेश्टो एक फावटी करून दाखयता C6H5COH सगळे जर कळटे म्हटले एकटो जर कोण आसा आनी आपणाक कळटा म्हणून तो केन्ना सांगपाना आय हॅव टू अंडरस्टँड इज इट ऑन माय फेस टू प्रोसीड विथ दिस गेलो बऱ्याक कुर्ता गेलो म्हाजो इट इज माय वन ऑफ द फेवरेट इट्स कॉटन नो इज इट देयर स्टील कशें काळोत आसा हांव तो आनी काळो जालो आनी काय ना नथिंग मच बिगर इन दिस नाका म्हाका पयलीं हांव गोरो आसलो पहले मैं गोरा था अभी मैं गर्ल्स डू दिस थिंग्स नो बॉयज अशें आरती कितें तरी करता अशें करता न्ही करीत रावता न्ही ना आय कॅन एक्सपिरियन्स इट आतां कळ्ळें कित्याक करता ते क्लियर दिसता फेस आय नो हांव बाय यू आर एडिक्टेड टू फोटोज तुका फोटोवाचे आनी मातशें बरी दिसता विथ फिल्टर्स पुरो चड जालें I can say anything to them. You all know. फालतू कंप्लेंट केल्यार तुमकां मार पडटलो म्हाका ना सो बी केअरफुल आज श्रीजला बी राग आयला तुमी गेले I'm just joking, don't worry. Actually, I always first target is Lisa. So today I will not say. I just think in my mind. Just thinking in my mind. I will not say anything to Lisa today. I will not say anything to Lisa today. But at last I came to Lisa only. How are you, Lisa? Nice. How are you, Benjamin? Good. Very good. Riziko, how are you? Okay, let's start. कुछ सुद्धा वॉच मार्क करतो आणि खंय पडलेलो तोंडार फाटीर only on this kurta sword. Okay, so how to calculate 6 into atomic mass of carbon is what 12 plus 5 into atomic mass of hydrogen, 1. Again, 1 into atomic mass of carbon, 12. Plus, I will take these two oxygen together. So 2 into atomic mass of oxygen, 16. Plus 1 atomic mass of hydrogen is 1. Understand झाला? होय? कट झाला होय? After you calculate this, you will get the answer as what? 122, and we consider it in grams. But actual unit is what? Anyone knows? It is AMU, or it is 122 mu. हा खबर असा atomic mass unit. आता एक्झामी जर सेपरेट मोलर मास कॅल्क्युलेट करपा आयले कशें करपाचें? दिस इज फॉर न्यूमेरिकल सॉल्विंग. सेपरेट आयल्यार नेक्स्ट टू बरयता टू. यू डू लायक दिस. 2 into atomic mass of hydrogen plus 1 into atomic mass of oxygen. Like this you will write. If there is a separate question to calculate molecular mass, in some schools they put this question. Okay? आता म्हाका जर तो क्वेश्चन घालपाक जाय, I will put directly sulfuric acid. Calculate the atomic mass of sulfur, molecular mass of sulfuric acid. I will not give the formula. So what is the formula? H2SO4. What is the formula for nitric acid? HNO. This some things you should know. Okay? KMnO4, potassium permanganate. Like this. Clear, sir? So what is the mass of benzoic acid you will get? Anyone has calculated? Sir? I have the answer with me. Yes, correct. It is what? 18.3 grams. So I have written directly. 18.3 grams. 18.3 grams. Okay. Now the second important thing. This is one important star mark karta, because sometimes this type of questions are asked in some schools. I'm going to understand the problem. So what is the second thing? 18.3 gram of benzoic acid is present in how much ml? 1000 ml of what? Methanol. Correct me? 1000 ml of methanol. Correct, sir? इतली ग्रॅम बेन्झोइक ऍसिड डिझॉल्व केला आम्ही 1000 ml ऑफ मिथेनॉल. आता आमकां कितले ml मिथेनॉल दिला? कितले ml दिला? 250 ml. 250 ml ऑफ मिथेनॉलाक किती विचारला आमकां? How much amount of what? Benzoic acid. So this will be our who? X. So therefore X will be equal to what? 18.3 into what? 250 divided by what? 1000. Calculate and you will get answer in what? Unit. Amount means what? It will be grams. Amount सांगला न्ही, so it will be grams. Understand झाला आता? This is the thing asked. So it's not easy. Sometimes numericals are little difficult. असे tricky उरता. You should know how to tackle with these things. Clear असा? Okay? कळ्ळें? Okay, so take note of this. अशे बारीकशे न्यूमेरिकल्स एक्स्ट्रा दिसती मातशें मार्क करून चला आता. एक्झाम्पल इम्पॉर्टंट आसा. इजी करीत रावं नाका. If I solve this, it will be something 4 point it will come. So I will just write 4.57 grams. 4.57 grams will be the answer. 4.57 grams will be the answer. Okay. After this, you have to write one impression statement. 4.757 gram of benzoic acid required to prepare 250 ml of 0.15 molar solution in methanol. Now you don't solve and check. It is 4.57 sure. I should begin so that we can solve more numericals today. Then practice कर. Now, what's the question? There's a question there. This one. Next question. So we have solved some numericals on number of moles, yes or no? Then some stoichiometry also we have done. Then with the reactions. These are some little extra questions. Any questions जो ऐसा नहीं, it is actually easy, but why teachers make it difficult? Because it's easy, that's why they make it difficult. How they make? Take example देता. The question is percentage composition. Don't try it. Exam माहिती देता. Percentage composition of oxygen in H2O. म्हटल्यार ऑक्सिजनाची percentage कितली आसा in what? H2O. So how to do this? It is percentage composition of oxygen in water is equal to number of oxygen atom into atomic mass of oxygen atom divided by molar mass of water into hundreds. I don't know how many schools this is done, but दोन स्कूल तरी आसपास आहे थोडे याद उरपाना आहे केलं काय ना ते. ओके सो नंबर ऑफ ऑक्सिजन एटम्स कितले आसा वॉटर मॉलिक्युलाक 8. एटॉमिक मास कितलो ऑक्सिजनाचो 16. मोलर मास ऑफ वॉटर कितलो 18. मल्टिप्लाय दिस बाय व्हॉट 100. सो कितले पर्सेंटेज येता that will be your in percent. Understood? If I want to do percentage composition of hydrogen in water, how I will write? Tell me. How many hydrogen molecules are there? Atoms are there? 2. What is the atomic mass of hydrogen? 1. What is the molar mass of water? 18. And what's the percentage? 100. Calculate. I will get the answer in percentage. Understood? Clear, Asa? Yes? Okay. So write a question. Calculate the percentage composition of oxygen and hydrogen in water molecule. In water molecule. Percentage composition of oxygen and hydrogen in water molecules. Okay, please write it fast. In any school, ppm is done. Parts per million, ppm. No? बरं झालं. हा नॉर्मल क्लास घेताना शिकवता ppm. Sorry. What you are saying? Yeah. It is what? No. आता म्हाका सांग तरी कितें म्हणपाक सोदतो कळ्ळें तुका ओके गुड पूण तें खरेंच कळ्ळें काय रॉंग कळ्ळें तें कळपाना म्हाका हय O2 कित्याक घातला ऑक्सिजन O2 ऑक्सिजन एटम आसत इन वॉटर सो इट इज नॉट O2 आय नो ऑक्सिजन म्हटलें पण O2 म्हणटा न्हू ऑक्सिजन एटम इन वॉटर okay so I will say I don't have the percentage with me so solve this at home find a percentage किती काढल्या 38.8 आता कॉमन सेन्स आमकां देवान दिला कॉमन सेन्स आमकां देवान दिला हेजी जर 88.8 आसा हेच्यान कॅल्क्युलेट करपाचें ना किती करतले 100 minus 88.8 सारकें न्ही दोनूच एटम आसा न्ही ते यूज करा board use करा board okay so don't start calculating here also natural answer actually it is something 12 point so 11 point you will get okay so correct next here calculate the percentage composition of sulfur in H2SO4. Calculate the percentage composition of sulfur in H2SO4. Where are these two people? Percentage composition of sulfur in H2SO4, that is sulfuric acid. Try kar. At least formula substitution you do. Answer my poya. Crystal, where were you for the last class? बेंच फाटल्यान व्हरपी मनीस तुम्ही 4 जण, तुम्ही 3 जण. कित्याक तेंकपा मेळटा म्हणून न्ही. ना आयज हांव बसले थंय तेंकोन. I came early today. Around 12:30 something. परत घरा कडेन वचून कोण येतलो म्हणून हांगा रावलो. Today I came in Rosary also. That biometric was going on, no? As usual, like the okay, check the things here. I will do little fast. Percentage composition. Well, maka solving important na. That तुमची हाती आसा. That I cannot help. Sulfur in H2SO4. Check the formula. You write the formula first. So what is the formula you write? Number of sulfur atoms multiplied by atomic mass. Students, atomic mass and atomic weight is meaning is same. Huh? Atomic mass and atomic weight meaning is same. Atomic mass of sulfur divided by molar mass of H2SO4 multiplied by 100. Check the formula if you are getting it correct. Substitution will be number of sulfur atoms will be 1. Atomic mass of sulfur you know 32. Very good. Molar mass kadla 16. So 64, 64 plus 32. 74, 84, 94, 96 plus 298. Multiply by 100. Let's solve this. You will get the answer in percentage. Check the substitution. Are you getting the substitution correct? Okay, good. Good. Can I proceed with the next numerical? Answer काढताच म्हणता तुम्ही आहेच. Okay, काढला. Sorry, 32.6. Check the answer if you are getting 32.6. तरी कळटा ग्रॅम्स येतलो पर्सेंटेज. एक क्लास मिस जालो तुका 2-3 क्लास मिस केल्यो 2 रिविजन क्लासेस. अरे युअर आयज ब्राउन माय आल्सो ब्राउन न्ही. यस गुड ना ब्राउन आयज काय वायट ना केमिस्ट्री काडपाक जाय. Students, you can do this at home, please. This is how much you are getting. Okay, good. Next one घ्या. नाही कर मला करायला फॉर्म्युला करा सबस्टिट्यूशन करा सॉल्विंग तुमच्या हाती आसा. ओके नेक्स्ट घ्या. Calculate mole fraction of HCl in solution of HCl. Calculate mole fraction of HCl in solution of HCl containing 24.8% 24.8% of HCl, 24.8% of HCl by HCl. 24.8% of HCl by mass. Okay. आता स्टुडंट्स ज्यांना आमच्याकडे आता एक असतात सोल्यूट आणि दुसरा असता सॉल्वंट. Solute is always present in more quantity. Okay, must understand जाऊन घे. आता 24.8% of HCl means by mass it is given. Yes or no? By mass means 24.8 gram of HCl dissolved in what? 100 gram of solution. आता solution मतलब किती असतले? If it is not given, we consider what? Water. If it is in what it is dissolved is not given. Is it given there? No. So we consider what? Water. आता मग सांग, if my 24 gram of is HCl, then how much gram of will be water? How much gram will be water? 75.2. Correct sir? Total gram of the solution कितने में गेलो? 100 gram. So if 24.8 is HCl, remaining will be what? Water. Correct sir? इसलिए understand झाले? Okay, good. आता mole fraction, that symbol is called as chi. What is called as chi म्हणत नाही का? Chi. 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 Similar like of X, but it is not X. असं curve X type. What I can say? X असं पाय मोडला like that, similar of. Now mole fraction of any component is equal to number of moles of that component divided by total number of moles of all components. So how many components are there here? HCl and what? Water. So it will be number of moles of HCl divided by number of moles of HCl plus what? Number of moles of water. Clear? Now, if the chi of A plus chi of B is equal to 1, this is for two components. So chi of HCl plus chi of H2O will be what? 1. So if I can find for HCl, I will get for water easily. Yes or no? So what is the formula for number of moles of HCl? Mass of HCl upon what? Molar mass of HCl. Mass of HCl we know. Yes, molar mass of HCl we can find. Chlorine atomic mass of 35.5. Number of moles of water will be what? Mass of water upon molar mass of water. Mass of water we already know. Molar of mass of water we can find. Substitute this, you will get what? Mole fraction of HCl. What is the unit for mole fraction? Mole? Yes. There is no unit for. अधिक सांगता. किती unit ना? HCl ची unit किती? Moles. हांगा भी unit किती असतलो? Moles cancel. आता एक दिस किती सांग तुमका. अशें पयली शिकयली बी हांवें सगळे आन्सर करताले क्लासी no units आणि अशें रिविजन करतना I just said no units. That student has written here. I say my sentence was like this. What is the unit here? No one like some of them answered no units. So I said the unit here is no units. My mistake, no, Ata? Because I said like this. The unit here is what? No units. So the student has written no units. अध्यापक कृपेन हांव तो बुक चेक केलो म्हणून म्हाका कळ्ळें. नाल्यार इन द एग्जामी जर क्वेश्चन आयलो यू वुड हॅव रिटन व्हॉट? नो युनिट्स. This thing. That is, I am not talking about mass here. Teacher will not consider also this part. But the main thing is how he can write no units. Yes, science student. मागचे तर देवान दिले आनी तकली. And it is not like that I was doing first time. This is doing revision. Molarity झाले, इथे concept झाले, molarity झाले, mole जालो, 5% volume percentage झालो, सगळं झालंय. stoichiometry झाले and mole fraction at the time unit for unit बरयता what is the use? Okay, ताका लागून सांगता do this. आता किती करपाचे मोल फ्रॅक्शन ऑफ HCl जालो you will get the answer here. I will write here as x नाका सदां x कित्याक a बरयता. Here you will substitute this a. Mole fraction of water is equal to 1. Mole fraction of water will be 1 minus a. Understood? Find the answer. Now you just copy the substitution part. Correct as result? Sure. Priya, understand Ata? What is this? Just ask me, huh? What is this? Just hairband, is it? Both in hand also you can hand band. And hairband. Okay. Joseph, are you comfortable sitting here? No, you are writing like this, that's why. I know, you are very tall, you are not comfortable. You can sit here also. Same. अहो तो पळय बॅग खंय दवरून पळय बरयत पळय म्हणून तुका जागो पावना दिसली पडना तूं मुखार बस तर so should we do like rotation? Next concept, I don't know if it is done for you all. Let's check. There are many things here. कैसे होगा मेरा हाँ okay good. I got some questions here also for you all. Good. Okay. आता आन्सर मैं कराडे फाइंड आउट करा था सबस्टिट्यूशन बरयलें आन्सर कराडे फाइंड आउट करा प्लीज do it at home. Okay, I want to solve more numericals today. Okay, the next part. Okay, my book here. Okay. To calculate molecular and empirical formula. In how many schools this is done? Molecular and empirical formula. Okay. Expected 99% sure question. 3 marks or 2 marks. Okay. So calculate molecular formula, empirical formula. So write down. Carbon is equal to 40% 40. Carbon is equal to 40% 40. Hydrogen is equal to 6.7%. Oxygen is equal to 53.3%. Shortcut दिला व्हॅल्यू सांगा एक्झाम क्वेश्चन मात्र बरोबर येतलो. Molecular mass is equal to 60. Okay, these things are given. So first thing, you have to just make these columns. Okay. So in this, in your schools, in these columns, many extra things will be given. I'm giving you short. Exam you have to naga follow. Whatever is given, write from the school what is given to you. Okay. Here it will be element. Here it will be percentage what is given. Here it will be atomic weight. Here atomic ratio, and here it will be simplest ratio. Just check what is given in your school in these columns. Formula same urtalo. The formula to calculate atomic ratio is percentage upon atomic weight. This I am giving very short. You will write the things what is given in your school. It is done, Lisa. So these things will be different in your school. Method will be same. Method same. So I will write the three elements: carbon, hydrogen, oxygen. Don't write. Pens down. Understand down here, and then copy. I will give time to copy. Don't worry. Okay, this is also important. Mark, these are important. Expected questions in some of the schools. Expected 99% as well. If it is done. Okay. Other 20 marks paper nahi, but as well. Third kuru as well. Either for 2 marks or 3 marks. What to do with this? What is the percentage given here? 40. This is 6.7 and your oxygen kitne dila? Sorry? 53.63%. Percentage you will write. Atomic weight also we know. Carbon ase kitlo? 12, hydrogen kitlo? 1, oxygen kitlo? 16. Atomic ratio, it will be what? 40 upon 12. 40 upon 12. Correct. So it will come to, I have the answer with me. It will come to approximately 3.33. After decimal, try to write 2 digits. When you calculate this atomic ratio, after decimal, try to write how many digits? 2. So this will be 6.7 divided by 1. So it will be up to 6.7. And this will come to 53.3 divided by 16. So I have the answer with me. I will write here. It is also coming around 3.33. After decimal, 2 digits. आता म्हणून नका अंकिता एक दो एक डिजिट किती बरोबर कारण चन्ना का काल एकट्याने चालू मगा एक डिजिट किती बरोबर काय मार पडटलो डिवाइड बाय 1 न्ही तो ओके सो डोंट आस्क दिस विचारची पयली सांगता नाउ हाउ टू डू द सिम्पलेस्ट रेशियो फोकस हियर आउट ऑफ दिस 3 you have to find which is the lowest value. अच्छा दोन्ही सेम आसा so काय problem ना but in next example or any other example you will find these 3 different values. So out of these 3 you have to check which one is the lowest. So for us now which one is the lowest? 3.33. So I will divide all the values with the lowest one. So 3.33 divided by what? 3.33 I will get here what? 1. 6.7 divided by 3.33 I will get approximately equal to what? 2. Direct round of value बरोबर single digit. And 3.33 again 3.33 will be what? 1. Ata now I will write the empirical formula. Empirical formula. एक सांगता. तुम्ही दिसतले why I am telling this. आता empirical formula word will empirical word is given in the question. कळना जाल्यार तुमकां जायतो परिणाका. Empirical परिणाकात. Empire spelling को बरसा न्ही. Empire spelling EMPIRE. So one of the students has written empirical formula. Marks दिवसे पडलो option ना. But you don't make such mistakes. So empirical formula will be आता what is the difference between empirical and molecular formula? Try to understand. So empirical formula T will be what? 1. H will be what? 2. O will be what? 1. इसलिए कौन है? Empirical formula gives you the ratio of elements present in a molecule. Empirical formula किती दिता आमका? Elements ratio दिता. Clear असा? Okay. Now to calculate empirical molecular formula, the formula is given as N into molecular mass upon empirical mass. आ टीचरिंग करतलो तोय बी सांगता. Molecular तुमको जो कॉलेजीस आसतलो mass is equal to N into empirical mass असं दिला आसतलो. Meaning same न्ही ते? Yes or no? Same thing दिला आसतलो न्ही? Correct असा. Check कर same दिला. खबर ना याद ना उडास ना. Okay सोड. Accept this. तुम्ही सोडून तुमका अजून केला नाही same. केला same केला. So cross multiply कर you will get this. Cross multiply कर you will get this. Now why I am telling this is a simple thing. माके एक क्वेश्चन येता सर आमको हो फॉर्म्युला दिला याचीच बरेल काय खंय असता थोडे ओके सो आई एम नॉट गोइंग विथ दिस आता n molecular mass is it given Na? 60. Empirical mass. You have to calculate from empirical formula. So how many carbons we have? 1. So 12 zalo. How many hydrogens we have? 2. Atomic mass of hydrogen? 1. So 12 into 2, 12 plus 2, 14. 14 plus 16. So 14 plus 16 is 30. So N value is what? 2. N value is what? 2. To calculate molecular formula, MS is equal to N into empirical formula. N is what? 2. Empirical formula is C1, H2, O1. Multiply this C2, H2, sorry, H4 and O2. Now, this is your molecular formula. It gives you the number of atoms present in a molecule. The difference between the empirical and molecular formula. Empirical formula तुमका every element or every atom किती दिता ratio दिता, and molecular formula किती दिता. A molecular formula it gives you the number of elements or number of atoms present in a molecule. आता 2:4:2 the ratio is same. 1:2:1. Enzo's formula is the ratio same. 1:2:1. 1:2:1. Yes. If you calculate the molecular mass, is it 60? Check. 12 to the 24. 24 plus 4, 28. Plus 32. 28 plus 32, 60. Means you all are correct. Molecular mass जर दिला, was the molecular formula तुमको molecular mass match जाता. Means you all are correct. Understood now? This is the way to calculate. Okay, and numerical career. Copy this first. First you can. That's why you are copying on doing online. That's why you are copying online. Okay, kind so. That's why you were copying when I was explaining. I was talking about this. Okay, no problem. Whose goggles are those? Chashma. Why you are not wearing? Huh? Why you are not wearing? Not the number one. Take it like. Okay. Just see what is given in your school. This part. Same dila. What? Phone number में simplest ratio रे this ratio काढून माहिती तुमको round off करून separate दिला रे पण last होता answer भेटलो. Okay, just do like that. Method is same रे. Atomic ratio important किती ना atomic आणि simplest ratio. These two are important. बाकी म्हणतो काय ना वाढले. When your exam start? 21st. When is your chemistry paper? Just check. Third paper. Fourth paper. See that you are studying now only because you will not get time to revise. If you don't understand anything, take help from Nisha. She will explain you. She won't? You ask her anytime? You are asking her? Any doubt? Sure? What she is telling me, you don't ask her. She might be not knowing that. Okay, no problem. To all the students, during exams for chemistry, if the class is not there, if you have any doubts, you can just message me on WhatsApp. I will solve and send if it's a numerical. If it is anything like theoretical or application, then I can just type in or I will call you. I exact that over call. Explain kela concepts, but not everyone is not possible. Okay, so see that you are just putting a message. What is the question? I will just give the answer. Understood? Kya ask kar during the exams. Done? This is done to you all. Same way. Sorry. Yeah, but you have the test paper. You should have brought no. The concepts were not similar. You should have brought no. You would have solved. No, I don't touch them. You are from Loyola, no? I don't touch them. I told you in the beginning also, no? Loyolas and Karmas, we should take care. Always. There is some presentation also, but there is no one from presentation this year. You get the papers are dangerous. I'm not talking about the level of teaching, huh? Paper are dangerous. I don't know where they have to show those papers. It's your first exam, no? It should be little lighter side. So you have, if you get a question, just send me on today only. So you'll be not coming for the next class. I will just check the paper. I will share with them also. Okay. But at least how 20 marks it was. You are not expecting it. 1 5 or 50? 1 5. So you are not expecting around 7 to 8 marks at least. So quantum numbers is not asked. From the third chapter, she asked anything. So which chapter the test was there? First and second. So she has not asked about anything about Bohr's. She has not asked about cathode or Rutherford. She has not asked about quantum numbers. If you get the question, please tell me. अरे कौन पढ़ लो? Okay, take the question. घराडे solve करो तो ना. Carbon is equal to C is equal to same thing, huh? C is equal to 26.59%. Solve this at home, huh? 26.59%. Hydrogen is equal to 26.59% is carbon. Hydrogen is equal to 2.22%. 2.22%. And oxygen is equal to 71.19%. 71.19%. Okay, molecular weight is equal to 90. Molecular weight is equal to 90. You will use the columns given by in your school. Follow that method and solve this. Molecular formula I will give you. Molecular formula. So what you should get? It should be C2H2O4. Molecular formula you should get it as C2H2O4. C2H2O4. Okay, एक क्वेश्चन मी असं बोलून घ्या. What is Zeeman effect and Stark effect? Zeeman, Z-E-E-M-E-N. What is Z-E-E-M-E-N? Zeeman effect and Stark effect. Okay, just find out this answer. What is Zeeman effect? Z-E-E-M-A-N. Zeeman effect and Stark. S-T-A-R-K. S-T-A-R-K. Stark effect. Okay, find the answer of this. You got the questions? Okay. No. Given? This is a splitting of spectral lines in magnetic field and electric field. If it is in magnetic field, it is Zeeman effect. If it is in electric field, it is Stark effect. Okay. I have some question. I was just searching some questions. I'm not getting now. Yes, good. Okay, next question, get. Calculate the number of molecules. Exam question अशी विचारतात. Calculate the number of molecules in a drop of water in a drop of water weighing 0.05 gram. Weighing 0.05 grams. Students, तुमची कॉलेजी जी मेथड यूज केल्या and what method I use असे different असा, but I will just do it and you will understand. Whichever I use and whatever in college, just will compare this to this. आता आमका वॉटराचो हे किती दिला मास कितले दिला तो mass of water 0.05 grams. This is a question I think from Damodar. I think so. याद आहे ना. Last year का day before that, somewhere this was given. आता first thing आमको किती काढपाक सांगला? Number of what? Molecules. Correct? Number of molecules हम काढपाक सांगले. So आमको एक formula कळो. Number of moles is equal to what? Number of molecules upon Avogadro's constant. Correct नी? Number of molecules is equal to number of moles upon Avogadro's constant. Sorry, number of moles is equal to number of molecules upon Avogadro's constant. तीन formulas आमका given mass upon molar mass. Second formula volume at STP upon 22.4 liter. Third formula number of molecules upon what? Avogadro's constant. So आता आमको जर number of molecules करपा जाय आमको number of moles जाय पडले. Correct असा? आता mass जर दिला so number of moles of water will be what? Mass of water upon what? Molar mass of water. Mass of water is 0.05. Molar mass is what? 18. So I have the answer. I will directly write it. It is coming approximately equal to 2.78 into 10 to the power minus 3 moles. Correct? मागिर तुमका किती सांगला? Use the another formula. Number of moles of water is equal to what? Number of what? Molecules of water. Correct? Upon what? Na. So therefore, number of molecules is equal to what? Na into number of moles of water. Correct, Nick? So you will get the answer in unit किती असतो molecules. Correct? Understood? आता तुमची कॉलेज किती करतले in your college. This part will be done. This part will be done. आता the relation will be given. 1 mole of water is equal to Na molecules. असे असतले. जाल्यार X molecules in 2.78 into 10 to the power 3 moles. कसा केला? आता in short, this formula will come to this only. पय relate करून पय. What will be X will be equal to 2.78 into Na, yes or no? Same thing I am getting here. 2.78 into Na. Meaning same. But तुमको त्या cross multiply करून सांगला. Yes or no? But in short, it is the same thing. Understood? It's up to you which method you follow. Only I think Tumka, Rosaries, Loyolas also, I think this method is done. Khobaras pana to yaad na. You know, you remember what is done? E okay asa but T okay. E okay asa but at last you will get the same thing. आता जर exam by mistake teacher in wrong केले. That teacher in yes गयला आमका all the 3 formulas is taught to you all. Ask your teacher why this is wrong. You only taught me these formulas. I applied the same formula. I'm getting the correct answer. At last, if you do this, no, the formula will be same. Number of moles is equal to Na into number of molecules. Number of moles, this is multiplied by X here. See, X into 1 is X is what? Number of molecules, correct? No? This is like this, same it is. So up to you how you follow. Okay, I told you both the methods in your school, and this is my method which I follow. The one almost same रहती, काय है ना? But सांगतो का? मग ही method किती बऱ्या पडता? You have to just remember how many formulas? 3 formulas झाले. मग just you have to relate. आणि इथून मस्त किती आहे? इथून मस्त time जाय पडता. 2 times you have to do. मग direct cross multiply केले झाले. Okay? Do this. Lisa, what is the definition of isotope? Sorry, same number of same number, atomic number, for different mass number. Good. Okay. Do this calculation at home. Unit किती असणार याचं? Molecules उडा दोरचे moles बी बरोबर येणार सगळे करून. Just see what is asked. Molecules it is. We are calculating the number of molecules. And last time again impression statement बरोबरच आहे. Therefore, these many molecules are present in a one drop of water weighing 0.05 grams. Impression मारपा. Okay. ते शरीर मातशें बरें दिसतलें. Okay. Next question. आता क्वेश्चन म्हटलं काय ना अहो अशी तरी दिला एक बारीकशी भानगड आसा एफई दिला 3+ दिला आणि 26 दिला हांगा आणि 56 दिला एक सांगता व्हॉट वी रायट हियर स्टुडंट्स पळय त्यांना या see here crystal see here what is given here written here atomic mass number that is mass number here थोडी स्कुलां अशें बी दितात meaning same mass number atomic mass number sorry atomic number atomic mass number my mistake this thing is given first thing total number of electrons total number of protons total number of neutrons find out neutrons and what is electronegativity gain the electron then what is electron gain enthalpy okay written everyone कळना जर हांव सांगता आसा न्ही अजून डोंट वरी फर्स्ट थिंग atomic number gives you the information of number of what protons so it is 26 atomic number gives you the information of protons if there is no charge number of protons and number of electrons are what same if there is charge then you have to minus see if there is plus means you have removed how many electrons 3 so Fe what is the atomic number of Fe 26 so how many electrons protons are present 26 how many electrons are present 26 what's the charge here plus 3 so how many electrons are removed 3 so how many electrons here 23 understood and to calculate neutrons the formula is Z sorry Z A means what mass number is equal to neutrons plus what protons this is the formula mass number is equal to what neutrons plus protons so therefore neutrons will be equal to what A minus P correct me that is mass number minus protons what is mass number 56 and how many protons 26 36 46 50 so neutrons will be how many neutrons will be how many 30 आता एक habit door आगा 23 electrons 26 protons impression मारपाक आणि 30 neutrons write this make a habit of writing this Okay, make a habit of writing this. You got the answer? How many of you got this all correct? At least 3 to 3. मी होणार आहे आता कोण आहे आणि एक देऊ स्पष्ट तिथं टाइम असता नेमका एफ येऊ नका एफ नका रे सीएल मायनस 17 आणि 36 CL minus 17 and 36. Same question. CL minus 17 and 36. Same question. Mr. What is atomic radius? It is energy required atomic radius. अरे बाबा असं नका सोड. Nikolai, what is atomic radius? No. What is atomic radius? Here's the Priya. Distance from the center of the nucleus shell. Nucleus मुळे nucleus हा boundary सुद्धा असू शकता नाही. Distance from the center of the nucleus to the outermost shell. Check the electrons here. Check the electrons. Is it 18? 18 electrons. Protons, it will be 17 protons. And neutrons, it will be 19. Correct, is right? 36 minus 17. So, 19 neutrons. Understood? These are also some questions which are asked. Okay. I'm just checking out what if I missed anything. Electronic configuration was not asked by all. They have written that. Who's was asked, chromium or copper? Copper was asked, no? Sure, star elements. Chromium and copper. एक तरी असतलो. Okay. Quantum number, sure, एक question असतलो. Okay. Write the set of 4 quantum numbers. Figure असतलो. So I have tried my best to do the revision of the first chapter. This is from the second chapter. Yeah, this also I think I will give one question. So this also I don't know. Mr. Rosaries they might ask. It was there no last year. Asa much kade thore paper yeah. This is from Rosaries. 1 hour paper. Identify the element which substance is given below is an element. Identify which of the following substance is given below is an element. 18 karat gold, bronze, mercury, silver, amalgam. Identify which of the following substance given below is an element. 18 karat gold, bronze, mercury, silver, amalgam. Which is an element among these? 18 karat gold is not an element. It is mixed. Bronze, it is an alloy. It is also mixed. Mercury and silver amalgam. Mercury. Okay, good. Which of the following species is isoelectronic with Ca2 plus? Ca2 plus means how many electrons? How many electrons? 18 electrons. Ca is 20. Plus 2 means 2 electrons are removed. So 18. K plus. Options are given. K plus. How many electrons? 18 electrons. Scandium plus? No. Titanium 3 plus? No. And chromium 2 plus? No. So it is K plus. Distinguish between orbit and orbital. Distinguish between orbit and orbital. Orbital in the orbit, it is the outermost from the nucleus, outermost shell. It's a shell which gives the information of the shell. And orbital it gives us the information about the electrons and a position of the electron. Okay. State law of definite proportion laws. Using the above principle, write the electronic configuration of chromium and chlorine. Calculate the maximum number of electrons that can accommodate in the M shell of an atom. M shell. KLM. Actually, this shouldn't be asked, but it's Allah. K is the first shell, L is the second shell, and M is the third shell. In the third shell, how many electrons can be present? Third shell. Third shell. Third shell. 3, 0, 1, 2, 1, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 18 electrons. See, nucleus, K, L, and what? M. I think you thought like this, M. Third shell, KLM shell. They asked for M shell. Draw neat label diagram of the 2s orbital and label the node. Write a mathematical expression statement for the Heisenberg uncertainty principle. Delta V into delta X is equal to less than equal to H upon 2 pi. MV is equal to H upon 2 pi. Heisenberg uncertainty principle. Draw neat table diagram to explain Rutherford scattering experiment. Write any two postulates of Bohr's theory. Define ionization enthalpy. Energy required to remove the electron from the outermost shell in the gaseous state of an isolated atom. Discuss the trend of atomic size across any period. Atomic size across any period. I or D? Increases or decreases? Decreases. Decreases. Why? Electron enter into the across the period. Atomic number increases. Electron enter into the same shell. Therefore, effective nuclear charge increases. Size decreases. Justify the combination of quantum numbers possible or not. N is equal to 3, L is equal to 3. Not. Because L should be what? 0, 1, and 2. Like this you have to explain. Cartoon the teacher. This is one, okay. Define atomic mass of an element. It is the addition of neutrons plus protons. Question number of grams molecules is 73.6 gram of ethanol. Number of grams molecules. Number of molecules. Gram dila. Only number of moles kattale. Again, number of moles also molecule also formula is kartale. Okay. Calculate a mass of 100 molecules of sucrose. Same number of moles kattale. Then you will calculate number of 100 molecules of sucrose. So तुमको पहले number of moles करवा पड़ता है by using what? Molecules upon Avogadro. And मागे तुमको कुछ formula use करता है. Number of moles is equal to given mass upon molar mass. Okay, वो एक question बेस्ट ऑफ बोरॉन दो. Define 1 mole of a substance. Exam ये ऊपर शकता. Okay, next. D block elements are also called as transition elements. Why they are called transition elements? Because presence of at least what are transition element? Because the presence of at least one unpaired electron in d orbitals. Zinc, cadmium, and mercury. Zinc, cadmium, mercury are not called as transition elements because their d orbitals are fully filled. So what are transition elements? Which contains at least one unpaired electron in d orbital. The number of significant figures in pi. 3.14. How many significant figures? 3. Distinguish between accuracy and precision. क्या है teacher in accuracy and precision? पढ़ना करो ना. ना तुमको आता है accuracy and precision. Law of multiple proportion. State modern periodic law. The physical and chemical properties are the periodic function of their atomic number. Element X with atomic number 15. Count of. Element Y with atomic number 22. Titanium. Now बरोबर येतात हा. Titanium. Now को बंदाने symbol बरोबर. बाकीचे theory असतात. I'm just taking if there is a quantum numbers. This is from Carmel's and this is both are from Carmel's. This is all solving part. याद वाला पेपर रहेंगे लोग तो okay, an atom of an element contains 18 electrons and 22 neutrons. Tell me number of protons. 18 electrons and 22 neutrons. Tell me number of protons. 18 electrons and 22 protons. 18 electrons and number 22 protons. Tell me number of protons. 22 neutrons. 18 electrons and 22 neutrons. Number of protons. 18 is only. They have not given mass number. Then how you can calculate? Possible is none. There is no relation between electrons and neutrons. There is no formula. Okay. Okay, write the N, L, M values for the given orbitals. 2p. Write N, L, and M for this. And 5f, N, L, and M for this. 2p, N किती असतो 2, L किती असतो 1 नी, आणि this will be -1, 0 आणि +1, -1, 0 आणि +1. What will be N here? 5. L will be what? L is 0 म्हटल्यावर S, 1 म्हटल्यावर P, 2 म्हटल्यावर D, 3 म्हटल्यावर S. So L will be what? 3. And what will be M value? -3, -2, -1, 0, +1, +2 आणि +3. All the M values you have to write. Okay, tell me the notation of this. N is equal to 2, L is equal to 1. Which subshell? Name the subshell. This will be what? 2p. I think I have done this part. Next is N is equal to 3, L is equal to 0. 3, S. 4 दिल्या आपल्याला 2 मार्क्स 4 दिल्या. N is equal to 4, L is equal to 2. Shocking, Karmas. सांग 4 G आणि N is equal to 5, L is equal to 3. Same thing is given here. 5 F. Same thing. 2p is also given here also, here also. असे फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन 2 मार्क्सचा 2p आणि 5f दिला टू राईट दिस, आणि ह्या क्वेश्चन परत 2p आणि 5f दिला टू राईट दिस. 4 मार्क्स आहेत, 2 मार्क्स आहे का इथल्या बरोबर. Okay, so I will stop for today. Thank you everyone. See you in the next class. Best of luck for your exams. Yes. Tuesday, I will inform you in the group. Please stay tuned in the group.